guys, it's Erica. So today I'm just going to be doing a full face drugstore makeup tutorial. This is a video of my first impressions of this Healthy Skin Physicians Formula foundation. And I also tried this brow product and some highlight and some powder. Everything is pretty much under like $20 in this video. So if you really are looking for some like nice cheap products, I think I can help you find them. If you guys want to know how to get this makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to start this video, I'm going to start on my brows. Okay, for my brows, I'm actually going to go in with this bold brow like duo thing. So we're going to see how it works. It looks like this, and it comes with this little shitty brush that I'm not going to use. Okay, I've actually never used this before, so it's going to be my first impressions of it. And I'm just going to take my eyebrow brush and dip into this color. And then I'm just going to see how this works. Okay, it's kind of dark. Okay, I'm actually going to take a mix of these two colors just to lighten it up a little. So, my first impressions of this, it works pretty fucking good. I'd honestly still rather use my Anastasia one, but like, it works fine. I'm just going to go ahead and do my other brow off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, my brows are done. I'm honestly not totally satisfied with them, but like, I'm going to fix it later, so we're just going to move on. So, my first impressions of this City Color Bold Brow, I think it's pretty good. It's like $10 pretty much, and you gotta have your brows, you know? So if you're looking for like a cheap alternative to like maybe an Anastasia one, I think that's a good option. And my face is already moisturized, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. This is a really good primer from the drugstore. It's honestly a little pricey, like compared to some other brands. We're just gonna go right in. I used to use this primer a lot. I haven't used it in a while, but it does keep your makeup on like all day, and it's also really sticky, so like, you know, the bitch isn't gonna move. I'm just gonna pat this all over my face and also go up on my forehead. Okay, you guys, I am so excited to finally fucking try this foundation. I bought a bunch of like drugstore stuff specifically for this video, and it's just been sitting on my fucking vanity, and I've been like staring at it and I can't use it. I did swatch the highlight that I'm going to use like once, but I haven't used that either, which is kind of surprising. So I just took the packaging off this foundation. I'm going to be going in with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. I don't know if it's exactly my color, but we're going to fucking make it work. So it's supposed to give you brightening complexion, and it says it's for all skin types, and I've heard pretty good things about this, so I'm excited to try it out. So this is what it looks like. We're just going to put this on my face. It smells a little manufactury, but I think that's okay. I'm going in with my Real Technique sponge, and I think this is a really good sponge. If you don't want to buy a beauty blender, which I don't because they're $20, you should buy this. Okay, I'm just gonna go in and start blending this out. Okay, I think the coverage is pretty sheer, so I might want to go in and like see how it works if you just keep like packing it on, you know? I'm gonna go in with a little more. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes and in all the places I want to highlight on my face. And I'm just going to blend this out. I think the foundation might have been a little light for my skin, just because my concealer is like almost the same color and I'm not really having that. Don't hate me, I know this is a drugstore video, but I am going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape because my skin is like kind of neutral right now, so I just want to brighten up my under eyes even more. You don't have to do this step, obviously. I think the other concealer that I used is pretty good too, but I am like doing some stuff today, so I want this to last all day. Okay, so far I actually do like this foundation. It seems like a nice foundation that I could wear to like school or something, so I don't like use an expensive one all the time, you know? It seems pretty lightweight, like it doesn't feel heavy or anything on my face. Since I only have one drugstore bronzer for you guys, I usually like go in pretty heavy with the bronzer, so I decided that we're gonna try out some cream contour today. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I thought that I would try to put some under my cheekbones like Instagram girls do. So I'm just gonna like squirt this out on my hand, I guess. I'm using the shade Almond, and we're just gonna go in. I'm gonna put it under there. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. Thought it would be a little streaky, but I'm okay with this. My face actually feels really sticky right now, and I really just want to set this already. I'm going to take a little bit just under here, just some dots, you know, do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna take this Sephora contour brush, and I'm gonna see how this blends with the brush. Okay, I think I like the Beauty Blender better, so for cream contouring for the very first time, I'm not mad about it. I think I did an okay job. We're making it work, guys. Okay, and who would I be if I didn't go in with a little more concealer? Okay, I'm done. This is how the face looks so far. Next, I'm gonna go in with this NYX HD finishing powder. I've never used this before either. I'm gonna take this Sephora brush. It's for blush, but I'm using it as powder because it works better as powder. So I guess I'm just gonna dip in here and see what happens. Okay, cute, I like it. Okay guys, now I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just gonna take this bronzing brush and just start giving some color to my face. I'm making this video because I'm in high school, and I know that like a lot of girls who do their makeup, they're like on a budget, you know, like not everybody is down to buy $45 makeup, and I understand that. I think like if you research your products a little and like figure out what products are good for your skin type, like you can honestly find some pretty good shit at the drugstore, and I want to show you that. Honestly, I might use a little too much bronzer and stuff, but I'm kind of fine with it because I don't want to look like a pale bitch. And yeah. Next, I'm taking this Sephora Pro crease brush, and I'm just going to contour my nose really quick. I thought I was going to have to go in with my Laura Mercier powder, and I didn't. So that's how you know this powder is like chill with me. Okay, I'm just gonna set my eyes really quick and I'll be right back. My eyes are set. You can go in with any concealer pretty much, and then you just go over it with some white eyeshadow or some setting powder. Next, I'm just gonna take my same blending brush and my bronzer, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with the eyes yet. We're just gonna see what happens. Next, I'm gonna set my eyebrows with my NYX Control Freak setting gel thing, and I'm just gonna go over them and brush through them. I use this all the time, and it really keeps your eyebrows on. I'm gonna go in with some more bronzer and this small Luxie contouring brush. Next, I'm just gonna take this fluffy MAC brush and my Burts blush in Toasted Cinnamon. It looks like this. This is a really good blush. You do have to buy it online, which kind of sucks, but it's like $10 compared to like, I don't know, how much are blushes at Sephora, like 20 something? I think it's worth, honestly. I think I like this blush because like, I feel like if you just put it like right here, it like continues your contour and you just look like so fucking bronzed, you know? Okay, I don't know what to do next. Honestly, I'm gonna do highlight because I still haven't figured out what I'm doing with the eyes. This is what I've been looking forward to the most. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. I've heard a lot of things about this highlight, and I've seen a lot of like YouTubers like shocked, and they're like $3 highlight, no way. This isn't $3, but it's cheap. It's from the drugstore, so yeah. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This is what it looks like. It looks kind of like wet on my hand. I think I'm gonna go in with my fan brush first, and we're just gonna dip it into this bitch and see what happens. Ooh, okay. It does look slightly chunky, but my face looks wet and I like that. Okay, we're gonna do that to the other cheek. Yeah, I fuck with it. I'm gonna take this smaller brush, and I'm just gonna use this for my cupid's bow and my nose and stuff. I like how like reflective it is. I'm also going to put this on my inner corners. Even though it looks slightly chunky, I'm not really worried about it because I'm gonna go in with setting spray, and that will probably just like, I don't know, make it like all go together more. I'm gonna go in with another highlighting brush just because I'm extra, and I'm gonna go right here. Okay, that looks a little wild. I don't usually pack it on like that. Okay, I need to relax with this, but I have to match it, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I had something else planned, but we can still do it. I'm gonna go in with this Essence Pure Nude highlight, and I'm just going to take this on a fan brush, and I usually just dust this all over my face. It gives you a really nice like glow, like not like highlight, it just like makes your skin look all youthful again, you know? Next I'm going in with a Morphe palette because these are pretty affordable and you do get a lot of colors that are really pigmented. This palette has a lot of browns and like cute purples also. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in with the shade Opal, and I'm just gonna dust that off because they're hella pigmented. And we're just gonna go right into my crease. I swear to God, I can never do like natural makeup. Like, this is pretty much like considered natural to me because I'm not wearing like red eyeshadow. So yeah, that's my life. Excuse my shitty nails. This is the first color I used, Opal, right here. And next I'm gonna go into Shook, and I'm gonna put that on my outer corner area, and I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E23 brush. I didn't even know that Ulta was selling Morphe, which is like, I really appreciate that, and I think that's cool. I like went in there like when I was buying all this shit, and I saw the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I was like, fuck, but I got myself to just like calm down and not spend any more money. If their setting spray, like if their little mist thing was there, I definitely would have bought it, and I was looking for that shit, but I couldn't find it, so I was like, maybe it wasn't meant to be, but I do want to try it out because everybody says that they love it. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Vroom. It's just another brown. I'm just going like from light brown to like darker brown. I'm just going to put that even more precisely on my outer corner, not like dragging it in too much. I'm just alternating with this. I'm using this one to pretty much like put on the pigment, and then I'm using this other fluffier one to just blend it all out and make it look good. For my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to go in with the same Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. I know we already put some right there, but the inner corner needs to be popping all the time. So next, I'm just going to go in with the tiniest amount of my little ColourPop Supernova Shock Shadow. This is a really good dupe for the Stila, you know, the liquid eyeshadows that they have. I'm just going to go right on my lid, just for like a little pop of more color and sparkleness. I'm just going to blend this out with my finger. I don't mean to flip you guys off. I'm just going to kind of blend that away so it doesn't look so harsh. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Custom. It's the like lightest brown that they have. Okay, I just blended a really tiny amount of these two colors, and I just put them underneath my lash line. Next, I'm going to go in with some mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. I'm pretty sure it's from like Loreal. I really like this mascara. I've honestly been using this mascara like a lot, just because my Benefit one is really good, but like I feel like this one gives me more volume. And so sometimes if my lashes are like small and I've been using mascara for like a couple days in a row, I'll use this just because it gives me a little extra something. See, I've been wearing makeup for like 3 days in a row, and I usually don't do that, so my eyelashes are looking a little crusty, honestly. So you guys are just gonna have to bear with me. Okay, and for my lips, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. lip tint. It's in the shade Red Orange Wash. I really like this lip tint. It's like literally $3, and you can get like a nice red lip, and it like doesn't go anywhere. I also like it because if you just like put a little bit on and wait, which is what I'm doing, and then you put on another layer, then it's like even more pigmented and you can just keep building it up, which is nice. I'm out of breath. I never talk this much. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave the lip like this and like not add any gloss or anything. So next I'm just gonna set it with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Looks like this. So first, I really liked this. I mean, it wasn't like amazing, it didn't like blow me away or anything, but like if you need your brows, like you need your brows, and this is fine, you know? The foundation was good. I mean, it looks pretty good right now, like I didn't have any complaints, and my bronzer like went on it well, so I know that it wasn't like streaky or anything like that. This finishing powder was actually really good, and I recommend it because it's really good to set your foundation just so it doesn't go anywhere and it doesn't look streaky. And like honestly, I used to wear foundation all the time with no powder, and I'd be like, why doesn't my makeup go away like by the end of the day, you know? And it's because you need to like set it down and make sure it has like a nice foundation, you know? Okay guys, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I liked making it, and I hope that I gave you guys some ideas for makeup, and I hope I showed you that there is like good makeup out there that's really cheap. You just have to like kind of try some stuff out and like see what works for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.